Welcome. Now we want to draw a triangle having a perimeter and the ratio of the sides. Let's say you have a triangle having perimeter of 140 millimeters and then the ratio of the sides is 2 to 4 to 5. Let's 2 to 4 to 5. Now what we are going to do first of all is to have a line, this line here, which should be equal to the perimeter of the triangle that we want to draw. This simple line here, you can draw it. It's a construction line. Then we can measure our 140. Let's say this is your starting point. Then you can have your 14 centimeters. So we can call this point as X and then we call this one as Y. Next step is we have to divide this XY into the ratio total to 2 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 5, 11. So we are going to divide this line XY into 11 equal divisions. So for us to divide it, we can have another line starting from X at any given angle. Doesn't have a distance, it's just a line. The next thing we are going to do is now to have our 11 equal divisions with an arbitrary value of that division. For each division we can adjust our compass, then we mark off the 11 equal divisions. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and lastly 11. Once you have done that, we join the last point on that line to the last mark. So point Y to the last mark. Then now once we have done that, we are going to transfer these divisions back on our line XY. How do we transfer divisions from this line back to our line XY? We're going to use straight edges. Now these straight edges here are like, we can take set squares. The first thing, we align one side of the set square on your line. Then you fix down here with your other edge. Then you are going to slide, that's transferring each point. So that is the first one, the second one, in that order. So we continue transferring each point to our line XY, dividing our line XY equal to in that order equal to 11. Realize once you reach here, this space is going to be small, so you can adjust it. Once you adjust it, you can move it a little bit down. So there, we are moving it, let's say down here. Again, you come back, you continue moving the points to line XY, 1, that order. That is the other line. So these points have now been transferred to a line XY. Once you have transferred them, you can now see that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 divisions. Now because we want the ratio 2 to 4, 2, 5, we're going to count 1, 2. That's the first point of our triangle. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the last. Now what we shall do, we first of all take a compass, stand at the point 2, and then we make an arc up. An arc up, we are looking for the other point of the triangle. Then you come to this other point of the 6th division to the last point of the line, that is Y, and then you cross the two arcs. Once they cross, they give you a point of the rectangle. So we are going to join this point. Now we are using our HB pencil because we now want our triangle. We join that point. We also join this point, this one here. And then lastly, we join this. We now join this. So this triangle here is the expected triangle. We can call it maybe A, B, C. Thank you.